Hi guys, and welcome to Zozo Cooks Keto. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto-friendly cranberry sauce, an essential side to any holiday meal that has turkey. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you'll need 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, a half a cup of Truvia, or an equivalent sugar substitute you prefer. I'm using Truvia, which is a stevia erythritol blend, because I find the aftertaste was a bit milder than what I typically got with other sugar substitutes. 1 cup of water, 1 small orange and a zester, or if you prefer, you can substitute these for 2 to 3 drops of orange extract. Let's prep our dish. Take the orange and zest it until you get about 1 tablespoon. There, that'll do. Next, you'll need a small pot. Scrape up the zest and pop it in the pot. Add the sweetener, water, and combine. Heat the mixture on a medium-high heat until the sweetener has dissolved, forming a simple syrup. Add the cranberries and bring to a boil for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. As they cook, the berries will begin to burst and sound just like popping corn. The wonderful thing about cranberries is they don't require a thickener. Once cooked through, the mixture just needs to cool and it's ready to serve. This batch will give you 32 tablespoons or 16 servings of 2 tablespoons. The macros per 2 tablespoon serving are 0 grams of fat, 1 gram of fiber, 2.7 grams of total carbs, and 0.6 grams of protein. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.